Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. 5 mistakes I made as a first time fourth engineer. Well guys, I have made lot of mistakes. तो 5 mistakes चलो बताता हूँ. Let's start. First was that I thought only hard work will take me forward. तो मैंने I joined my first trip as fourth engineer. Knowledge ज़्यादा नहीं थी मेरे पास, तो I only had hard work with me. So I used to work like anything. I knew one thing, that I have to be the hardest working engineer on board ship, and I was that. So I thought बस मेहनत करते चलोगे चीज़ें हो जाएंगी. But on my second ship as fourth year I realized that सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क से काम नहीं चलेगा. You have to have the smart attitude as well. You have to read manuals. You have to learn from manuals. You have to apply your brain, work on troubleshooting skills, learn from electrical officer, learn from second year, learn from third year, discuss with them, and that is where you move ahead in life. So एक चीज that I want to add is, when you go on board ship, it will never be hard work that will take you forward. Hard work is very important part. Like hard work is like salt in food. So food will never be tasty if you do not have salt. So similarly, if there is no hard work, you can never become successful in life. But with hard work, a lot of reading of manuals, these things, learning, troubleshooting, this is very, very important. Next thing, another mistake that I made was I mocked at my seniors behind their back. तो ये आपकी psychology बन जाती है. I realized when I was a first time fourth engineer and my chief engineer was working on governor and he made him say, governor का ये भी नहीं आता है. Even though I did not know, but I loved mocking at my chief engineer behind his back, not in front of him. Or if second year made some mistake, then I used to say, अबे ये भी नहीं आता, क्या यार कहाँ फंस गया इन लोगों के साथ. But this psychology ना, it works wonders. When I became second engineer, chief engineer, whenever I saw somebody, few say fourth year, third year electrical officer sitting somewhere in the corner, chit chatting and laughing, I thought ये मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. What goes around, that comes around. Whatever you do will come back to you. So that psychology remained. Then slowly and steadily I changed myself. Never mock at your seniors or juniors knowledge. Never do that. I made this mistake and I realized कि बाद में बहुत pinch करती है. If you have mocked at people, you will be mocked at. Don't do that, because you will never know everything, even if you become a chief or second engineer. Very important. Last, third, cleanliness was never my forte. मतलब machineries were always leaking. Generator was old, fine, but they were always leaking, and I did not have a problem. I thought this is the culture. Leak कर रहा है, so no worries. मैं कुछ और काम करूँगा. I'll do this, that. Second has given me some job. I'll do that. But your machinery is your machinery. Remember that. As a fourth engineer, suppose you are working on a purifier or you are working on a compressor, so it is your machinery. Then there should be no leakage. There should be no dabba over there. It should be spick and span. Even if painting is required, do it yourself. But own that machinery. Any problem with that machinery is your problem. People will respect you for that. Please, and learned it later in life. When I was a fourth engineer, third time, I worked with a second year who was not a good leader. He used to harass people like anything. But what awesome with work. Cleanliness, amazing. मतलब his boilers would used to be clean, and so used to be his machinery. Clean, spick and span. Painting, cleaning, chipping. Complete engine room used to be good. And that is why he could demand respect from chief engineer, captain, even from company. Because they knew that he is a great guy in terms of work. But I never liked that guy. We'll make some video another time. Poor watchkeeping standard. This is another problem that I had. My engine room round used to start from bottom, and within 15 minutes I used to be on the top of the floor. 15 minutes. My rounds were never good. I was always relying on my juniors and other people so that they can take good rounds. And it was very bad. I was very, मतलब जल्दबाजी बहुत रहती थी. Always curious. ये भी करना, I have to do this, I have to do this. But proper watchkeeping standards are very important for you. If you know your machinery, if you can hear the sound, if you can make out when something is wrong with it, or you can see your oil length दिख रहा है, या this pressure is going down, something is wrong, you can do wonders in your life. Proper observation, use of proper senses, hear, smell, touch, ये सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं. and I was always in a hurry. Yep. Never ever do that. Last but not the least, mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes. Not because I have, not because ki, how should I say this? Ki I was doing something new, then only I made a mistake. चलो आप कुछ नया try कर रहे हो. The reason was, even if I was trying something new, I was just doing it with the intuition कि ये तो ऐसा करूँगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. Never studied about it. Never thought कि I will read the line diagram. Never bothered to read the manual at that time because I thought hard work. It does not work that way. So hard work with smart work will make you a good engineer. So these were the mistakes that I made. Don't do those mistakes and you will earn respect on ship. Last but not the least, if you are preparing for MEO class 4 exams, Vikas has created this wonderful MEO class 4 package, excellence package, जिसमें सारे 6 के 6 functions covered हैं, all 6 functions. Go ahead with this, start studying, become a part of Merchant Navy Decoded community, and we will definitely make sure that you get results because together as a community we'll grow. Take care, bye. Jai Mata Di.